Alright, we're at Barnes & Noble here in Erie. And guess what? It got modded. That's right, the Schindler RT elevator got modded by Schindler HXPress. Let's get a cab view. At least the cab looks pretty much the same. Here at LL. Let's go to UL. Door close. This does not work. Here we go.
Going up.
Here at UL. Let's go down to LL. Refer to close. There it goes.
Going down.
I actually cannot believe this thing got modded. I honestly was not expecting this. I expected the RT to still be here. Let's go to UL. All right, here we go.
Going up.
I am so disappointed. This thing's definitely got a crappy mod. Watch it close. And that's it.